Hi everybody!
What's up, guys? We're doing a new YouTube channel. This is a whole new thing. Brianna, stop.
It's called the Slime Club.
We're going to do slime today, and we normally don't do YouTube videos. This is our first one for today, and we will be doing more. But right now, this is just for today, because we made a bunch of slime. Actually, we made 5 packages for everybody. And we're about to do slime baking.
2 of the boys.
Stop.
Little boys.
Go ahead, Mama. Fine, you can have it. Hey, if we yell, that's because of the little kids. No. Okay, so right now we're really getting annoyed by them. It's getting really annoying.
Grab all our slimes. We're gonna be trying.
All right, we'll see you guys. I have my YouTube channel link in the description below. All right, let's end the camera.
So sorry.
Get one of the slimes. Get one of the slimes in front of it.
Sorry, guys. We're just having a racket.
Bria!
So we're gonna be mixing.
Bria,
Sorry,
stop.
guys.
Stop.
So I'll be filming Xavier mixing all his slimes.
Stop.
Okay.
No.
Xavier, mix all your
Fine,
slimes.
you can have this.
Mix all your slimes.
What's up, guys? Look at the bowl. You see this slime right there? That's my red slime. Right now, I'm going to put a bunch of other slimes in.
But he's only gonna put half.
I'm only gonna put 4 in.
You stole her bowl. You gotta let her stab it.
Fine, stab it.
So my baby sister is going to stab slime.
I will stab it too.
Right now, here you go.
Hey, Bubba, say hi to the viewers.
Say hi. Yeah, she's adorable, is she not? All right, since she works.
That's our little buddy AJ. That's his friend.
And you see this dog behind us? That dog right there.
That's right there.
It's actually a boy.
His name's Marley. Did you know that?
All right, hey guys, you guys.